Pack your bags, leave the city light. Oh yeah, feel alive. Pictures embrace and the world is wide. Oh no need to hide. He'll call on the wild where dreams are set free. In the forest arms where the heart takes the beat. In the sky, make stories in the air with and rustling leaves with serenity we find there. Out in the open where the stars and light. Oh yeah, it's so right. While the fires glow, lost in time. Oh no, we won't hide. Let the skies ignite our dream. Nature's calling, hear the stream. Feel the warmth under the stars, lost in pieces of. In whispering pines, hear nature's symphony, a tapestry of life we endure and free. With every thin Lord, stories start to unfold, wrapping cloak of night, feeling warm, never cold. Let's start the eye, time is on our side. Nature's calling, embrace the ride. Feel the breeze, let the world receive. Under this vast sky we find our peace. This life we crave, whispers of the night. In life a solid path, we'll forever roam, finding luxury inside. This nature is our home.
Stars are shining, sky so clear. Nature whispers secrets in my ear. Bonfire crackles, dreams ignite. This majestic endless together we rise under the skies. In harmony, dreams just fly. Feel the echo of our song. In this moment we belong. Feel the breeze that carries dreams, stories told by mountain streams, adventure whispers in the night. With each heartbeat it feels so right. And I realize under the skies, in harmony, spirits fly. Feel the warmth that friendships bond. In this world we last so long. Round the fire, hearts aglow. Stories shared, the laughter flows. In this embrace of timeless grace, we find our home a sacred space. Mountains echo, valleys sing. Nature binds us with its gentle wing. In the hush of the twilight's breath, every moment feels like a gift. Stars are shining, sky so clear. Nature whispers secrets in my ear. Bonfire crackles, dreams ignite. This majestic endless together we rise under the skies. In harmony, dreams just fly. Feel the echo of our song. In this moment we belong. That carries dreams, stories told by mountain streams, adventure whispers in the night. With each heartbeat it feels so right. And I realize under the skies, in harmony, spirits fly. Feel the warmth that friendships bond. In this world we last so long. Round the fire, hearts aglow. Stories shared, the laughter flows. This embrace of timeless grace. We find our home a sacred space. Mountains echo, valleys sing. Nature binds us with its gentle wing. In the hush of the twilight's breath, every moment feels like a gift.
Terusan Studio, light up the show. Catch a wave, let your spirit glow. Terusan Studio, crafting our dreams. Feel the rush when living supreme. Join the journey, Terusan groove. Build it up, we're on the move.
Terusan Studio, feel the thrill today. Enjoy adventures on the longest day.
Terusan Studio, where dreams come to play.